Hey there, welcome back to Floorland. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Sisal carpets. If you're looking to add a touch of natural elegance to your home or office space, you're in the right place. We'll be covering everything from the different types of Sisal carpets to their amazing benefits and much more. So, grab a cup of tea, and let's get started. Exploring Sisal carpets. So, what exactly is a Sisal carpet? Well, Sisal is a natural fiber derived from the agave plant, known for its strength and durability. Sisal carpets are woven from these fibers, creating a beautiful, textured surface that adds warmth and character to any room. Different types of Sisal carpets. Now, let's talk about the types of Sisal carpets you can choose from. There's plain Sisal, which features a uniform weave for a clean, minimalist look. Then, there's bouclé Sisal, which has a loop texture for added depth and dimension. And let's not forget about herringbone Sisal, which adds a touch of sophistication with its distinctive pattern. Aesthetic appeal. One of the things we love most about Sisal carpets is their timeless aesthetic appeal. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse vibe or a sleek modern look, Sisal carpets complement a wide range of interior styles. Plus, they come in a variety of colors, from earthy neutrals to bold statement hues, so you can easily find the perfect match for your space. Just imagine cozying up in your living room with a plush Sisal carpet underfoot, or adding a touch of warmth to your bedroom with a soft Sisal rug. The possibilities are endless. Benefits of Sisal carpets. Now, let's talk about the many benefits of Sisal carpets. First and foremost, Sisal is an eco-friendly choice. Since it's made from natural fibers, it's biodegradable and renewable, making it a sustainable option for environmentally conscious consumers. In addition to being eco-friendly, Sisal carpets are also incredibly durable. Thanks to the inherent strength of Sisal fibers, these carpets can withstand heavy foot traffic and are resistant to stains and spills. Plus, Sisal is naturally anti-static, making it a great choice for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. Maintenance and care. Now, let's talk about maintenance and care. While Sisal carpets are relatively low maintenance, there are a few things you can do to keep them looking their best. Regular vacuuming is key to removing dirt and debris, and spot cleaning can help tackle any spills or stains that may occur. It's also important to avoid excessive moisture, as Sisal can absorb water and become prone to mold and mildew. So, be sure to wipe up any spills promptly and avoid placing Sisal carpets in areas with high humidity. Where to use Sisal carpets? So, where can you use Sisal carpets? The beauty of Sisal is its versatility. From living rooms to bedrooms, hallways to staircases, Sisal carpets can be used in virtually any room of the house. They also make a stylish addition to offices, hotels, and other commercial spaces. Whether you're looking to add texture to a contemporary space or warmth to a traditional setting, Sisal carpets are the perfect choice. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to Sisal carpets, from the different types to their amazing benefits and beyond. We hope you found this video helpful in your quest to elevate your space with natural elegance. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Floorland.